Media is here at Aircraft Interiors Expo 2018, of course, and I am visiting the booth of AIX member Gore. I'm with Adrian Mel, who's a product specialist at Gore. Adrian, why don't you tell me a little bit about the pace of change in the industry and how Gore is adapting to service all the new demands and needs?
Absolutely. So one thing we've really found is that the industry is changing very fast. The pace of rate of change has really increased dramatically in the last 5, 6, 7 years. Passengers are expecting faster technology, faster data speeds in aircraft, and Gore is working very fast and very hard to develop new products in a way that actually matches the expectations of our customers and of the industry.
Okay, and what is that range of products that you are providing to the commercial aviation sector?
So Gore's working really in the background to provide interconnects and cables which work to connect up pretty much all the systems that you find on an aircraft. So we'll cover everything from microwave cables that could connect up an in-flight satellite system, all the way down to in-seat cables or Ethernet cables that connect the in-flight screen or an access point or any other peripheral type system within an aircraft.
This is sort of part of the whole in-flight entertainment and connectivity experience that the passenger would never see or even be aware is sort of in play, but it really does have an effect on the passenger experience. How is that?
Really, so ultimately getting information from the passenger down through the aircraft to the ground, whenever that is slowed down with a bottleneck, really will affect the passenger experience. So that might be your internet may drop. That could happen if you have a cable that's not working to its optimum, or if you have an installation that's not correct. So that would be one example of really where a Gore cable has been designed with a lot of margin, a lot of extra performance in there, so it can survive the installation process and also provide a very stable and nice signal propagation and everything else in the background.
Airlines are always trying to reduce weight
Yeah.
on board, so how does Gore contribute to that?
So really what you find really with the Gore cable can be anything from 15 to 35% lighter. So really we use very specialized materials that Gore actually develops at a molecular level. So what we're able to do is manufacture cables that are smaller, lighter, can bend in a much tighter way and still maintain electrical performance. So what that lets you do is if you think of the amount of cable that can be on an aircraft, some large aircraft can have up to 30 kilometers of cable. So if you're able to actually save a percentage of weight in that situation, you can save fuel, you're able to carry more payload, so the airlines can actually save money or they can actually carry more and make more money. So it's a very important part of the process.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time today, Adrian.
Excellent, thank you so much.